Hello friends, this is Sunday Abegunde. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a top-rated plus content strategist across multiple platforms. But for the purpose of this YouTube channel, we will be considering Upwork. I have earned thousands of dollars on Upwork to attain that badge of top-rated plus, and I will be helping you achieve the same feat on that same platform. In today's video, I'll be sharing my 10 tested and trusted strategies that I have used from when I was earning $0 to now that I'm earning thousands of dollars on Upwork. And these same strategies can be replicated by you. There are different aspects of Upwork, the proposal writing, the profile description, the samples and all. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be concentrating on proposals that convert to jobs. So you don't send 1 million proposals before you get a single job. I think on the average, I send 6 proposals or 4 to get a single job. So I'll be teaching you some of the things I put in place in this video. So I am 100% sure that if you listen to this video and you implement the proposal strategies I will be teaching in this video, you would surely get more conversions for the proposals you send on Upwork. Whether you have been getting some jobs on Upwork, but you want to get more jobs, this would help you. If you've not gotten any job at all on the platform, these strategies will help you. Number 1, personalize your proposals to the clients. Don't let the client feel that you are talking to an abstract person. Let the client feel like you're talking to them. Use power words like you in your proposals and address the proposal to the client with the client's name. How can you get the client's name? When you see a job posted on Upwork, look at the previous reviews on the clients. You would find some of the previous freelancers who have worked with the client mentioning the client name, saying, "Thank you, John. It's nice working with John." So what you do is check that, and now you know the person's name is John. So when you're writing your own new proposal to the client, you start your proposal with "I, John," not "I, dear," not "I, prospect," not "I, client." "I, John." So John knows that you know him. Secondly, on how to make your proposal sound personalized to clients. Make your proposal client-centered. That means that you are not only telling your own stories of how you have 1 million years experience in graphic design or in copywriting. You are telling the client exactly how that experience that you have can help them solve their problem. Number 2, show the client that you read the description. Many freelancers sincerely don't read the descriptions on some jobs. They just have this templated proposal already written that they copy and paste to every job that looks like it will work for. Don't do that. Even if you have a templated proposal, which I'm not a big fan of, copy the proposal, read what the client is saying in the job description, then adapt your proposal to that specific job. You need to reference part of the stuff that the client has mentioned in the job description. If the client specifically requests that a particular word should be used in your proposal, so I see clients do things like, to show that you read this job description, start this proposal by writing "mango jump." So if you write the best proposal in the world and you don't start the proposal with the text "mango jump," the client is not going to read it. So please, when the client say "write speaking pen," please write speaking pen. Number 3, establish your expertise. Establish yourself as an expert in the field that you freelance on, whether you are a copywriter. Talk about your certifications. Talk about your previous experience. You see people say, "I have 20 years, 30 years experience." Yes, we know you do, but avoid praising yourself too much because it will be obvious to the clients that you're doing that. Be spot on. Mention your achievement to establish your authority. Just drop it and move on to focusing on how that expertise can help the clients achieve their goals. Maybe if you're a video editor, so you can say, "I've been working on videos in the last 20 years, which makes me faster than an average video editor." So that way you've established how your experience contributes to the job you want to do for the clients. Let's go to number 4. Give some value upfront. A particular client write content for their website. So when I go to their website to see the content that was already there, I observe that they have a wishy-washy logo. In my proposal, I call their attention to it. I made a constructive criticism of the logo and state how it can be better. Amazingly, they asked me about the logo. They took my suggestion on the logo and they responded to my proposal because I gave that upfront value of constructive criticism on their logo. And then we talked about the copywriting job. One of my friends did something that was amazing, something creative. It might not work for everybody, but it would work for some. So especially for those of you who haven't gotten any job on the platform. So what he did was this. He saw the job description. So the guy read the client description so that the client wants a JPEG file converted to a vector file. And what he did was this. He took the JPEG file, which was attached to the description on Upwork, created the vector file, which took him less than 30 minutes to do, came back to write a proposal. You can see the value he has given of, he has done the job. So came back to write the proposal to the client. So he attached the completed work as a sample. And then the client responded to the proposal only to make payment because this guy has already done it. He's not telling you I will do it. This will not always work in all cases because I don't want you doing free jobs. But then we can be strategic about things we do. Sometimes it works. Let's move on to the next one. But before we move on to the next one, if you find this video resourceful so far, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Take 10 seconds to hit the subscribe button, then you would find a notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you can see subsequent videos that are valuable, which I'm going to be posting on this channel. Thank you for doing that. Number 5, economy of words. We don't want you to turn to Apostle Paul. Don't write us epistles. It is a proposal. Be spot on, be concise, be succinct. That means take out any points that will only make your proposal bulky. This is not a rule, but basically I try to keep my proposals between 50 to 100 words. Occasionally I do more than 100, occasionally. Then occasionally I do less than 50 because I've even written 3 sentences of proposals before and got the job. Although it's not even a competitive job, the client invited me, so I wrote a proposal, just 3 sentences, and I still got the job. But basically, try to keep your proposals between 50 to 100 words. Number 6, use link. I understand that there is a part of Upwork that allows us to upload samples to our proposals. But then if you are in a niche that involves heavy files like VR or video editing, don't forget that Upwork gives you just 25 megabytes. That is the limitation to the kind of files you can upload. So what I do is this. I upload the video, whether it is 1 million. You don't want to compress your video and it is looking all pixelated in your sample. So you want to post that video on another platform, maybe like Behance, or upload it to a Google Drive, then copy the link and attach the link to your proposal. They call the client to action that, okay, check out my portfolio by clicking this link. So that way you save yourself data, especially if you're in Nigeria, you save yourself data and then you save the client data. So the client does not have to download your file to see what is in there. How many files would we expect the client to download since the client is reviewing over 20 proposals? Now, a bonus tip. I understand that Google Drive gives us just 15 megabytes for free. I like free stuffs, man. So I'll show you a way you can get 1 terabyte of cloud storage space for free. You can use Google. I personally prefer Google. I buy extra space, but you don't have to buy extra storage space. You can just use TeraBox. T to the E to the R to the, TeraBox. You can get up to 1 terabyte for free. So you can use that. Number 7, use CTA, which means call to action. In your proposals, ensure that you use a call to action to notify the client, to remind the client, to prompt the client on the specific actions you want your client to take. So if you don't remind them or prompt them to take specific action, they might like your proposals, they might like your samples, but you always include a call to action in the last paragraph of your proposals. So I'm talking about call to action. So I'm going to call you to action now, although this time not on Upwork, on YouTube. Please hit the like button, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And I would like to know where you're watching this video from. Your state, your country. Please just drop that in the comment section. I would love to know. Number 8, you want to do what other freelancers are not doing. And one of the things you can do that gives you a high competitive advantage, if the client ever opens your proposal, you use videos in your proposals. That means you use the application called Loom, Loom, to record your proposal. Yes, you have your written proposal. So now create a video proposal. If you are shooting video as a proposal, ensure that your video is top quality. Maybe like not the Hollywood standard of video, but ensure you have a clean background, enough light on your face, a good camera. I would tell people to avoid the laptop camera. Most laptops have very terrible camera, so you can use your phone camera, not even the front camera for most phones, but your back camera. If you have someone to support you in holding the camera, that would be amazing. Number 9, use PS. No, I'm not talking about PlayStation. I'm talking about Postscript. Yes, use Postscript in your proposals. You know, research has shown that many people may not read every word you have in your proposal, but many clients read your Postscript. So why not load the most important information into your Postscript? That one sentence that you are sure if this client sees this sentence, they would be compelled to read the remaining proposals, or that would call them to action, or that would show the best of you. Just use a Postscript, that's PS. We are all conversant with it in corporate writing. But then in Upwork, ensure you use it in your proposal. If you find this video valuable and resourceful, to encourage more quality content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe if you've not. Turn on the notification bell. Let's move on to the next one, and that is number 10, Spellcheck, which is the last one I'm going to be dropping for this particular video, which is for you to spell check your proposal. Yes, a simple typo can make the best proposal look wishy-washy and portray you as a non-expert to your prospective clients. You want to ensure that you establish yourself as an authority to your prospective clients. Luckily for us, we are not in 1982. We are in 2022. So you can use AIs like Killbots, Grammarly, and Hemingway. I use a combination of these three to ensure my contents are error-free and spot on. So thank you so much for watching. But before you go, remember I said proposal is not the only thing that takes you from an Upwork beginner to a top-rated plus like me. So in subsequent video, I will be addressing other aspects you need to understand. I am 100% sure if you follow the content and implement these things I am teaching you, you should see a difference in your Upwork career. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.